Hello, today I want to show you how to multiply and divide complex numbers in polar form. So let's say, for example, we have two complex numbers, z1 given by r1. It is in polar form, and this is the same as writing it like this: r cos theta 1 plus j sine theta 1. This is just a shorter way of writing this, so hope we're clear on that. And we have another one, z2 given us r2 theta 2. Okay, now if we were to multiply them, z1 and z2, what we do is z1, this is z2. What you do, you multiply the moduli and you add the arguments. Okay, that's how you multiply complex numbers in polar form. And if you are asked to divide z1 and z2, if you are asked to divide, what you do is you divide the moduli and you subtract the argument. Okay, if you are asked to multiply, you multiply the moduli and you add the argument, and you get your complex number in polar form. And if you are asked to divide, you divide the moduli and you subtract the argument. Okay, let's do an example, an actual example. Let's say you have complex number z1 given by 4 and the argument is 60, and z2 given by 2 and argument 30. So if you are asked to multiply them, this will be z1 z2. Just from above, from the illustrations above, you multiply the argument. This will be 4 times 2, and then you add the arguments, 60 plus 30. Okay, 4 times 2 is 8, 60 plus 30 is 90. So that's our new complex number. Okay, and if you were to divide them, z1 over z2, this will be 4 divided by 2. The arguments, subtract, 2 goes there 2 times, so this will be 2. Argument will be 30. Okay, so let's do another example. Let's say you are told to evaluate in polar form it in polar form. And you're given 10 argument to be pi over 4 plus 12 argument pi over 2. So this is multiplication. We're told to divide that by 6 argument pi over 3. Okay, so for the numerator can be written as numerator 10 over 10 multiplied 10 multiplied by 12. Okay, and you add the argument. So this will be 120 pi plus 4, the LCM is 4, so it will be pi plus 2 pi. This will be 3 pi over 4. Okay, so the argument here is 3 pi over 4. Okay, that's the numerator. Now we need to divide it with the denominator. Now what we have is 120 3 pi over 4 divided by 6 argument of pi over 3. Okay, so once again, because this is division, you divide the arguments and you subtract. You divide the moduli, and you subtract the argument. Subtract the arguments. Okay, 6 will go there 1 time, 6 will go there 20 times, so the moduli is 20. As for the argument LCM is 12. 12 goes there, 4 goes here 3 times, 3 will be 9 pi minus 4 pi. This will be 5 pi over 12. So finally the answer is 20 and the argument is 5 pi over 12. Okay, that's how you divide and multiply complex numbers in polar form. Okay, apparently this method is not possible for addition or subtraction. We only use it for multiplication and division of complex numbers in polar form. Okay, thank you for staying with me. This is Understanding Math.